Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. It is Wednesday, April 21st, and we're going to show you what sold for us today.
All right. Start with eBay AB. I'm getting nervous. Alright, so these are some Judy blue jeans that I picked up at an estate sale recently. I have $2.76 into them, $2.76, and sold them for $25.97 plus shipping. Box DH. This is just something I wanted to get rid of, so I sent a really low offer. These are just some Bach Boc Sandals, and I've had them since last summer. I paid $3.99 for them. And they finally just sold for $9.72 plus shipping. So, see ya. But knowing myself, I'll pick them up again next time I find them. All right.
Well, hey, look, Reese's out of the way today. You gonna stay there?
Good job, bud. These are some Skechers like wedges, and they kind of have like a rainbow stripe. So I picked these up at the Goodwill outlet, the bins. Part of my stimulus check challenge, so I only have about $1 into them. Sold them for $12.97 plus shipping. They were a small size, so I was happy to let those go at a low price. This is just a Where the Wild Things Are shirt. It's originally from Target, but I got this from Kitizen. I bought it as part of a bundle to get a cheaper deal on something I actually wanted. I do have $5.89 into this shirt, but I knew I could get all of that back. It sold for $8.95 plus shipping. Just a couple days of being listed. Obviously, that doesn't sell for a ton, but if you ever find that shirt for like at a garage sale or something, I'd probably pick it up. You can probably get about $10 plus shipping. And I sold another pair of the Play sandals. So on eBay, I do have them shipping in their box. So these are under £1 even in the box. So I just put the box inside of a poly mailer. And you can see it is still under £1. So 12.8, and then the poly mailer adds like half an ounce. So yeah, so that buyer paid $25 plus shipping for those. I have 10 into them, so probably about doubling my money there. And then last eBay sale is actually a 3-item bundle, 3 of the dresses that we got from our last haul. So AE. So this one is the brand Sweet Honey. It's just it's like a linen blend floral. And then AJ. This one is Eleanor Rose. It has like bunnies and Easter eggs. I'm actually really happy this sold. Like we had 3 that were kind of like Easter themed, and I was like, I'm probably gonna have these next year.
Yeah.
But 2 of them have already sold, so that's really good. So
nice.
That one, and then S. Right. This is also Eleanor Rose, just a floral dress. So, in our video yesterday, I said I'm not going to send out offers, but then I hate seeing that number that's like, you have 20 offers to send, and there was so many people watching these dresses, so I just sent offers because we don't have a sale running on our newer stuff right now, but I'm probably going to run one this weekend around 10. I usually do between like 10 to 13% off, so I basically just kind of sent those offers.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, this person accepted these 3, and they sold for $95 plus shipping for the 3. So the 2 dresses sold for $35 each, and then the top, this bunny one is just a top. That one sold for $25 plus shipping. I do need to refund her some shipping because she paid $3.99 times 3, and I should be able to put these. These are probably under £1, but because it's $95 worth, I'm probably just gonna put them in a padded flat rate to have the, what's it called, coverage. Yeah, so these are only less than 13 ounces, so I could just send them first class, but you run the risk of losing.
There's no insurance.
Yeah. And so if it gets lost or damaged, I have to refund her. And I do have about $11 into each dress, so that would be me out $30 plus the shipping I paid. So I'd probably just rather pay the extra few bucks and insure those.
Which we haven't really experienced yet. We did have one go missing. They found it, delivered fine, just took a long time. But we haven't really had anything get lost in the mail, right? We've had a few things get damaged.
Yeah, I mean, but way back when COVID first started, when things were taking forever, we got messages like every other day, and we were still pretty new to eBay at the time, and I was just like, I can't handle the messages like day after day, so I'm like, whatever, I'll just refund you.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the day after I refund them, they get their package, so we did end up refunding a couple people, but yeah, it always gets there. If we notice anything's held up, we try to check now. Well, Chris does. He looks through every few days, seeing if everything is delivering.
Yeah, or moving.
And if not, we'll, even before the customer contacts us, we'll try to do a USPS find my package type thing. So, yeah.
Which even if it's not considered lost, it can help things get things moving, right? So
yeah, sometimes it's just stuck. Like a lot of times ours get stuck up in Denver, and for like days, sometimes a week.
Mm-hmm.
So
was that a viewer sale?
I don't think so. They didn't write a message. So if you are a viewer, thank you.
Yes.
These are some great dresses you picked out. All right, and then we had one Mercari Sale, so box CR. Sold these Brooks sneakers. I picked these up in Nebraska for $3.99. Sold them on Mercari for $29 plus shipping. All right. And then no Kitizen sales, no Facebook sales, so the rest here are Posh. Chris has been trying to share my closet daily, and yesterday I actually sent offers after he did it, which sometimes I forget to do that. So, I mean, sharing alone usually helps you get a sale or two, but the actual sales usually come when I send offers. And 1, 2, 3, I had 6 sales in the last day because I think I sent offers after he shared. So, let's see, BC.
That 1-2 punch.
Yeah, so 5 out of the 6 are offers, and then 1 just offered me something and I accepted. So these are some frame jeans. These actually I bought for myself a long time ago from Nordstrom Rack. I think I actually paid like 50 something for these. I wore them a few times. I just didn't really like the fit, so I listed them. And last night sent an offer 46 with discount shipping at $5.95, and the buyer accepted. So not making all my money back on those, but I did get some use out of them. Other people say frame is great, and I don't know. Those have been listed over a year and finally just sold. So, I mean, $46 for a pair of jeans is still really good, but I don't know. It took forever. So, if I found them like under $5 at a thrift, I'd probably grab them. But otherwise,
that's the thing that always blows my mind is some resellers on YouTube can sell something every day, right? And then we try it, and it doesn't sell for us.
And those were mine, so they were a fairly large size, which usually you can sell
bigger, faster,
So I don't know. And these are just some Abeo, however you say that, some sandals. Again, this brand usually sells quickly for me, but I've had these for a while, so I sent out an offer of $31 with discount shipping, and this buyer accepted. So I paid $6.99 for these originally. I think I made $20 something back after the Poshmark fee. The other thing is on the table here. So this I just pulled out of my garage sale box. So these are some Bke Jeans, but they're like capri pants, so don't buy capri pants of any brand really. These I've had since probably 3 years now. And yeah, I $8 with discounted shipping, so I think I make $3 and some change back, and I originally paid $5.99 for them, so bad buy, never again. And I'll take that $3 and buy something else to hopefully make more money off of. This we got when we headed up to Nebraska, but we got it in Colorado. It's just a Cabela's barn coat. And I got this for $5, sold it for $30. That was somebody sent me an offer and I accepted. Alright, BG, something else that I was just happy to see go. I thought this would do well, but it didn't. It's a Panhandle Slim men's button down. It does have the pearl snap, kind of has that southwestern print going on, and it was a 2X, so it was in great shape. It honestly didn't even look worn. I think my photos were just not good on it because this color on our wall, it just doesn't look really good, and we don't really have a second spot for clothes or anything. So honestly, I think that was the issue with this one, but I did pay $5.99 for this, and it only sold for $19 with discount shipping. So yeah. Right, and then last sale of today This was just my son's, but I originally bought it from Goodwill. It's just the brand Monsoon, or I think that's how you say it. It's just a navy blue velvet blazer. I paid $3.99 for it originally. He wore it for like a Christmas photo or something, and then I sold it for $20 with discount shipping. So made like $13 and some change back on that.
All right, so we'll get going on packing these up. All right, we just got that stuff packed up, ready to go, and yeah, we got some other stuff we're working on today, but
I did want to re-mention about the shipping hip. I'm still loving these mailers.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have a discount code down below. Ginger15 would get you 15% off a pack, and they ship for free, so it'd be around $20, maybe a little more, just for 100.
Well, I think the prices went up a little bit, didn't they?
Yeah, they went to 25. So it used to be $17 for 100 with our code, but their manufacturers and everything have been charging them more, so they have to charge more as well. So
it's the world we live in, right?
Yeah,
Inflation,
$20
things
for
go up.
100 printed,
Yeah.
thick, nice mailers. I mean, that's how much I would spend on Amazon anyways, and I'd rather spend it with a small business. Speaking of Amazon, though, I did get these dog ones off there because they're a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
I don't know. I never check what
They're a little wider. You can kind of see.
Yeah, so these are a 10 by 13, and then these are like 15 by 12 or something probably. But yeah, these have been great for like more adult clothing, and then like this has a pair of adult shoes in it. So yeah, we do have those linked in our Amazon links. But yeah, so other than that, I did get some new stuff listed today. 20 more items went up for $548. So I think this was what, 79 listings so far this week, and I still have 20 or so in my queue, which to me and I still have 20 or so waiting for me to list them, already drafted. So hopefully I can get that done tonight. I say this every day and usually don't do it, but yeah, if I do that, then I'll be at least at 100 for the week, which will make me happy. And I think I'm about $100 away from doing 3,000 in listed items. So
dollar amount.
Yeah, $1. So yeah, I hope I can get that done, and then I'll have 2 whole more days to list more stuff too. So we can...
Which we set the goal of hitting 600 listings in April, and I still think we can make it. We're still behind, right, as far as where we are in the month, but
I mean, I definitely think we'll probably get 150 this week if we don't go sourcing or do anything else. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure I'll get my 100 today, and then 25 the next 2 days. That's doable. And then yeah, so if we do 150 and 150, 300. What did we do all these times? 300. That was like 4.
Yeah, I've lost track.
We'd be pretty close to it. So I don't know that we'll actually hit the 600.
I think when we looked at it the other day, if we hit it, we had to get 38.
28 or something a day, I thought.
38? 28? Was it 28?
28, but like 7 days a week.
7 days a week? Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
But, you've got 46, 13, 20, maybe 40 today.
It's possible. Maybe if I go through the kids' closets, because when I say 600 listings, it doesn't have to be, new or something I sourced. Since we do sell our kids' stuff, that stuff's really easy for me to crank out super fast. I already know how much I'm going to price it. I don't need to look at comps and stuff. So
we do have enough inventory to get to hit those marks. We've got all those. Yeah. We still have a bunch of Third Love bras and...
Yeah, we have plenty. Just some things take longer than others. Yeah. Like those 20 today was stuff I wasn't all familiar with, so I have to look up comps. Those 20 were also closed, so I had to measure them. Kids' clothes I don't measure. Shoes I don't measure. So those kinds of things go a little faster.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe I'll just try to do the easier stuff. Yeah, I do want to do some more bras because I think we're down to 1 or 2 and they'll sell fast.
Yeah. And they're good money, so... Because we've got
that's what we did
everything
today.
paid off. Yeah, this stuff just needs to be bagged and inventoried. We're still, I don't know, these shoes we still got.
In my next photograph batch, so.
Yeah, and we're probably gonna record a haul tonight from the Denver bins. I don't know if I mentioned it, but did we just get another sale?
Yeah.
I'll say this and then we'll pull that sale real quick, but. I might have mentioned it before. I'm not exactly sure, but we did finish up our stimulus check challenge sourcing. We still need to do the haul videos, but that's probably going to be 2 or 3 videos coming out very soon. We're going to record that one later tonight to get that out to you guys. But All right, but yeah, Kathy said she had another sale on what, Poshmark?
Yeah, I just got an offer, so I think it's actually in this bag.
Oh.
I don't want to put these on the ground. Yeah, so this is just a Bowden. I don't really need my phone. It's a Bowden swim top. I did have the bottom, so I bought this for myself off Kitizen like a year or two ago. And it just never fit, but then I hate photographing bathing suits, so it took me till this summer or like a month ago to get it photographed, and then after I photographed it I didn't list it, but the bottoms had like, I don't know, like a weird stain on them, so I just didn't even list the bottoms. I just threw them away and listed them as a top only. I paid $15 for the set originally, and then someone just offered me $15 for the top, so I just took it just to make what I can back. So
Yeah.
making 12, lost $3, but it is what it is.
And they're paying shipping because it's Posh, so. All right, that is gonna do it. We'll pack that up off camera and get this stuff off to the post office. We gotta run and get Connor from school. And yeah, that's what we've got on our agenda for tonight, but we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.